Hi, this is Ann, and I'm your instructor for geology, and I'd like to show you a quick way to kind of get through your lab reports. I know the lab manual has questions written at the end of it. You don't have to answer those. Well, part of those are actually included in this lab report. In your file on your CD, you should have one that says lab reports, and when you open that, you should have a lab report for every single lab in your lab pack. If you open each one, it's a Word document, and that way you can just fill it in as you go along and then use this entire document to submit it. So like you don't have to recreate data tables and things like that. So the data table, I'm just going to scroll down. We're on the crystal growing and rock cycle lab, and if you scroll down past the first two questions, I just showed in a previous recording how to draw on this, so we don't need to see that again. Part 2 is actually filling in a data table. So if you take your cursor and you click on one of the boxes, you can fill in the information and go right across, and then you would calculate an average and fill in the final box. That was about 24, I'm guessing. So none of these are the actual correct answers. I'm just filling in so you can see how this works. So this is kind of nice because then you can go on and fill in the written parts by just typing. It says use your magnifying hand lens to examine the sugar glass and observe if there are any crystals in the sugar glass, and then you'd answer, yes, I see crystals. Now you see how this is black and the question is in black? What I would like you to do is highlight this, or you can change the color up above. Pick a color that's not the same as the one that the questions are asked in so that it stands out. It makes it a little bit easier for me to grade, and I can grade them a lot faster. And that's that.